Hello students, continuation of data handling chapter. In this video I am going to explain circle graph or pie chart. Okay, usually we made a bar graphs to represent the data. So, but here they are using circle or else you can say it as pie chart to represent the data. So, here they given a time pie chart. So, there is time spent by a child during a day. Okay. So, here totally the time spent in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways. So, for the sleeping the child is using 8 hours, for homework it is using 4 hours, for other works it is using 3 hours, for playing it use 3 hours and for the school it use 6 hours. So, in that manner they given, that is circle graphs. Okay. So, then if you want to make this chart, then how to identify? Okay. So, taking 8 hours out of 24 hours, because in a day total 24 hours are there. So, then if you calculate this one 8 by 24, so here we will get 8 ones are 8 threes are, that will be 1 by 3. Okay. Then how to represent in circle? You have to multiply this with 360 degree, because the total angle gives us 360 degree. In that 360, 1 by 3 means 1/3 part of the circle is sleeping time. So, it will be 3 ones are 3 twos are. So, 120 degree is for sleeping time. Okay. So, make here radius and put protractor and count it up to 120 and mark it. So, that part will be for sleeping. Okay. So, you can use next one also for the school. Okay. He going 6 hours means out of 24, it means ones are, it will be 4s are 1 by 4 into how much angle? 360 degree. So, 4 ones are 4 90s are. So, 90 degree is 90 degree part is gives us school timing. Okay. So, like this you have to calculate. Here they mention drawing pie charts. Earlier also I told same thing. So, again here they given flavors of a ice creams. Okay. So, ice creams in chocolate flavor 50% of the children, I mean students will preferring, vanilla 25% and others are 25%. So, totally how many are there here? Totally 100. Out of 100 means taking the average of 100, the 50% is for chocolate. Okay. So, making it into fraction. So, the total angle of the center of circle is 360 degree. The central angle of the sectors will be a fraction of 360 degree. We make table to find the central angle of these sectors. So, here they clearly mentioned. Okay. So, made the table chocolate, that is 50%. Okay. So, out of 50 what? Total 100, out of 100 the 50 are preparing the chocolate. So, it will be gives us 51s or 52s, so it will be 1 by 2. So, if you want to make it into angle, you have to multiply this with 1 by 2 into of 360. So, you will get here 180 degree. So, like that vanilla 25% means out of 100, 25 by 100, it will be 1 by 4. So, 1 by 4 of 360 you will get here 90 degree, and others flavors 25%, that is also 1 by 4, again we will get 90 degree. So, then how to draw the diagrams? Means pie chart. First you make one radius. Okay. So, using this radius, the first one you have to mention, that is 180 degree. Okay. So, 180, if you keep the protractor you will get here. So, mark here at 180 degree. So, AB gives us 180 degree partition. So, now again next for the remaining, that is 90 degree and 90 degree, and using again protractor keep at center and make here up to 90 degree. So, one side we will get 90 degree for the vanilla and 90 degree for other flavors. So, like this you have to do the, if you get the different angles also. So, same as bar graph, here also you will get the questions against the pie charts. So, here they given pie charts of the expenditures on various items and savings of a family during a month. So just you observe the pie chart. The first question, on which item the expenditure was maximum? See here, where is maximum? That is food. So the expenditure is maximum on the food. The expenditure on the education of the children is same as the savings of the family. Okay, directly I read the answer. The question was, the expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings of the family. So savings of the family is equal to the education of the children. Here also 15%, here also 15%. So both are equal. Next, if the monthly savings of a family is 3000, what is the monthly expenditure on clothes? Okay, see here, if the monthly savings of the family is 3000, savings is 15%, it means we don't know the total salary. So let's take it as X. For that X, how much percentage is there? Savings 15. So that is out of 100 gives us how much? 3000. Then X equal to means salary equal to 3000 into 100 by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are, it will be 200. So here we will get 20,000 is our salary. Okay, salary or whatever the amount. Okay, then out of this monthly expenditure on clothes is 10%. So 10% of 20,000 gives us the total expenditure on clothes. So 2 zeros get cancelled. 200 into 10, it will be 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees is the total expenditure on the clothes. See here, directly they given the answer. 15% gives us 3000 and therefore 10% represents, see, for the 15, 3000 into 10 gives us 2000. They given in shortcut. Okay, for the 15, 3000 and for the 10 it will be calculate, you will get 2000. The example number 2, on a particular day the sales of different items of a bakery shop are given below. So ordinary bread 320, fruit bread 80 rupees, cakes and pastries 160 rupees, biscuits 120 and others 40. So total is how much? 720 rupees. Out of 720 you have to calculate the all fractions. So here they given the table, just you go through. First one I will explain. 320 out of how much? 720. So make the fraction to be 4 by 9. So now making into angle 4 by 9 into 360 for the total angle. So here we will get 160 degree. So like that you will get the angles for the different items. Now the pie chart for the first one. Ordinary bread how much? 160 degree. So keeping the center, draw one radius, with that radius make 160 degree. So here you will get the ordinary bread part of the pie chart. Like that biscuits, cakes, fruit, bread and others you will get easily. Okay, so try yourself. Now going to directly exercise. Exercise 3.2, a survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. From this pie chart, answer of the followings. See, first you observe it. Here, the pie chart gives the semi-classical 20%, light music is 40%, and folk it is 30%, classical is 10%. Okay, so they given out of 100. You can just assume it as out of 100 they given it one. Okay, if you calculate them 30 plus 10 plus 20 plus 40, it will give us for 100. Okay, so if first question, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So classical music, how many are liking? 10%. Out of what? 100. Okay, if 10 are liking classic, then total numbers are 100. Then if they liking 20, then total numbers will be how much? See, 10%, how to write that one? if 10 people are liking means total how many are there? 100 are there. So here 20 are liking, then it will be 10 ones are 10 twos are 2 into 100. Here we will get 200 people were surveyed. Next, second one, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? See, observe the pie chart. They are liked by how many? Light music 40%, that will be the maximum one. Next, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? So for the each one we have to calculate against 1000. So for the 1000 people who have to make 1000 CDs, okay. So for the 100 10% are there means for the 1000 it will be 2 zeros we have to make 100 CDs of classic. For the semi classic, for the 100 here it is 20, then for the only 1000 here we will get 2 zeros it will be 200 CDs, and the pole that will be 30 by 100, so into 1000, so 0 it will be 300 CDs. Similarly, light music 100 for the 40, then 1000 for 2020 get cancelled, totally 400 CDs of the light music we have to make. The second question, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, rainy, winter and summer. The first question, which season got the most votes? See here, the winter season got most votes. Next, third one, find the central angle of each sector. Okay, so here they given how many people? 360 people. For the each case we have to divide and make them fraction, and afterwards multiply with 360 degree. So like this table you have to make the fraction. So 90 votes out of what? 90 out of 360. So it will be 0 0, 9 ones are 9 fours are. So it will be 1 by 4. Next, 120 out of what? 360. So 0 0, 1s are 3s are. So it will be 1 by 3. And 150 out of what? Out of 360. So it will be 0 0 get cancelled. So 15 by 36. So you can cancel it by 5. 3 5s are 3 12s are. So it will be 5 by 12. Okay. Then angle, for the angle means what? 1 by 4 of 360 degree. The complete angle is 360. 4 1s are 4 9s are, it will 0. So 90 degree. So somewhere we got angle as center angle as 90 degree. Next, 1 by 3 of 360. So 3 1s are 2s are and 0. So it will be 120 degree. And third one, 5 by 12 into 360. Again we will get same 12 1s are 12 3s are and 0. 30 into 5 it will be 150 degree. Okay. So our center angles are 90, 120 and 150 degree. So the next question is, draw a pie chart to show this information. Okay. So draw one circle and first angle 90 degree, make 90 degree. So here we made 90 degree. This 90 degree gives us summer. Okay. So using center reference O as, next we have to make the rainy season, that is 120 degree. So take here and mark here 120 degree. So the next one will be 120, that is rainy season. See, 90 is over, 120 is over. So what is the left? That is 150 degree. Okay, if you cross check also, you will get here 150 degree, that is winter season. So this is our required pie chart. So it is very easy. So try to practice yourself. Now third question, draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the color prepared by a group of people. So here blue, green, red, yellow they given, and number of peoples 18, 9, 6, 3. Okay. So for this, first you have to make them into fraction, afterwards make the center angle. So here they given the hint. How many people are there? Total 36. Out of 18 liking blue means 1 by 2 are blue. Next for the green 9 by 36 it will be 1 by 4. So like that 6 will be gives us 6 by 36. So it will be 1 za 6 za. So 1 by 6 is red. Okay. Next 3 by 36 gives us 1 za 12 za. So 1 by 12 gives us yellow. Okay. Now we got the fractions of all. 1 by 2 blue, 1 by 4 green, 1 by 6 red, 1 by 12 yellow. So now make them to center angles. So like this you have to make the table. Directly I will find the angles. 1 by 2 of 360. Okay, 2 1s are 8s are. So it will be 1 by 80 degree, 180 degree. Now 1 by 4 into 360. So 1s are 90s are. So it will be 90 degree. Next 1 by 6 into 360. So it will be 6 ones are 6 6 are. So here we will get 60 degree. Next 1 by 12 gives us how much? 1 by 12 into 360 it will be 12 ones are 12 3s are. It will be 30 degree. Okay. So using these four angles 180, 90, 60, 30. Now we have to draw the pie chart. This one will be our required pie chart. The 180 degree gives us a blue, 90 degree gives us a green, and 60 degree gives us a red color, and 30 degree gives us yellow color. Okay. So like this you have to do it in your notes also. The fourth question, the adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in a examination by a student in Hindi, English, mathematics, social science and science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 350, answer the following questions. In which subject did the students score 150? Okay, here they given hint. 540 marks, the central angles is 360 degree. So for the 105 marks, what is the central angle? Okay. So in reverse order you have to do here. So then first observe the diagram. 90, 65, 80, 70, 55. Okay. So here if the angle is 90 for 360, then you have to check for the 540. If the angle is 65 for 360, then what is for the 540. So like that if we calculate all 5, then we will get out of those 5, one will be 105. So let's check them. So make the calculation of each subject. First mathematics 90 out of what? This 90 degree is given the angle out of 360 degree, then for the 540 marks what? So let's do 0 0 get cancel, 9 ones are 9, 4s are 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, remaining 2 it will be 20, so 5s are. So 135 marks in mathematics. Next 65. 65 means 65 out of 360 into 540 we have to check. Okay. So 0 0 get cancelled. Here 3 1, so 3 ones are 3 2s are. Here 3 ones are 3, remaining 2 8s are. Again 3 4s are 3 6s are. Okay. so 2 2s are 2 3s are, so it will be 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19 divided by 2. So here we will get 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 7s are 14.5, 97.5. It is also not our answer. Next 360 for 80 and 540 for watt. Okay, 0 0 get cancel. 18 2s are 18 3s are directly do. 2 1s are 2 40s are. So it will be 120 marks. 3 4s are total. It will be 120 marks in the science. Next 70. 70 divided by 360 into 540. 0 0 get cancel. 2s are 18 2s are 18 3s are. 2 1s are 2 35s are. See here 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 it will be 105. So in Hindi we got 105 marks. So what about the English? 55 divided by 360 into 540. Okay, 0 0 2s are 3s are 18 2s are 18 3s are. So it will be 165 divided by 2. Okay, 55 3s are 165 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 2s are and 0.5. So 82.5 marks in English. Okay, so you can go with directly calculating the Hindi, you will get 105 marks. Second question, how many more marks were obtained by the students in mathematics than in Hindi? Okay, so in Hindi 105, in mathematics 135. So the difference will be how much? 135 minus 105. So it will be 30 marks or more in maths than Hindi. Third one, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in the social science and mathematics is more than that in the science and Hindi. So hint, just study the central angles also. So here only you can check it. Social science and maths 90 plus 65, how much you got? Here it will be 115. Next science and Hindi, science and Hindi, it will be 150 only. So you can say easily the sum of maths and social science is more than science and Hindi. Okay, so you just go through the PDF notes which I given in description box and try to do yourself also. The fifth question is for your practice. Okay, so try to do it by yourself and refer the PDF which I given in the description box. And the next concept, that is chance and probability. This is reduced portion for you. Okay, so for this academic year only you have 2 exercises of data handling. Just ignore the last concept, that is chance and probability. Okay, thank you.